Alright guys, we got the other one.
Message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Mathis Police Department is searching for Enrique Hernandez, Hispanic, male, 5 years old, height 3 feet 11 inches, weight 80 pounds, brown hair, and brown eyes. Police are looking for Stephanie Olivares, Hispanic, female, 22 years old, height 5 feet 6 inches, weight 223 pounds, brown hair, and brown eyes, in connection with this abduction. The suspect is driving a red 2002 Dodge Neon with ATX, license plate number of LDR8421. The suspect was last heard from in Mathis, TX. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Mathis Police Department at 361-547-2113. News media point of contact is Mathis Police Department at 361-547-2113.